Today's video will be about income tax credit, EITC. A formal definition for EITC is a tax break from the government for people who work but don't earn a lot. It can reduce the amount of tax you owe. Sometimes you can even get a refund. How much you get can depend on factors like your income, family situation, and how many kids you have. An informal definition of the earned income tax credit is kind of like a bonus for working, mainly if your paycheck isn't huge. If you qualify, you might end up with some extra money around tax time just for doing your job and filing your taxes. A good real-life example would be a delivery driver who works long hours but still earns relatively a low income. The delivery driver works full-time dealing with packages and earns about $28,000 a year. He lives with his wife and son. Even though both adults work hard, paying monthly bills can still be stressful. When he files for taxes, he qualifies for the earned income tax credit because of his income and family size. Instead of receiving a very small refund, he gets back several $1,000s through the EITC program. That extra money helps his family pay overdue utility bills, buy groceries, and save money for emergencies. Another great example is, imagine a nursing assistant that earns about $31,000 a year while supporting her young daughter. Even though she works full-time helping patients every day, it can still be difficult to keep up with rent, food, transportation, and school expenses. When she files her taxes, she qualifies for the earned income tax credit because of her income level and because she has a child. As a result, she receives an estimated refund around $2,800. She decides to use part of the refund to repair her car so she can continue getting to work easily. She also uses some of the money for her child to buy school supplies and clothes. The rest is placed into a savings for emergencies. This chart here shows both the delivery drivers, nursing assistants, and a couple of other examples of the earned income tax credit that can help different working individuals and families depending on their income and the number of children. Overall, the EITC is a real-life example of how tax policies can make a positive difference for hardworking individuals and families trying to improve their financial situation. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it.